In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Whop without Stripe or PayPal. Before you actually withdraw anything, the most important thing to understand is that you need to set up your payout method first. If you skip this part, you may not be able to receive your funds properly. So in this walkthrough, we're going to focus on getting your payment method connected so your money can be sent directly to your bank account. Start by going to Whop and logging into your account. Once you're on the platform, take a moment to make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile or business. It's always a good idea to double check this before making any payment changes. After you're inside Whop, remember that the setup comes before the withdrawal. This is an important part of the process because Whop needs to know where your earnings should be sent. Without a payment method in place, there's nowhere for the funds to go, so make sure you complete this first. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile. This will open up the account menu where you can access your personal and payout related settings. If you're following along on a different screen size, the menu may appear slightly different, but it should still be attached to your profile area. From there, click the settings icon. This will take you into the section where you can manage your account preferences and financial details. Settings is usually the place where platforms store payment and payout controls. So this is where you'll continue the setup. Once you're in settings, find and click on payment method. This is the section where Whop lets you manage how you receive money. Since the goal here is to withdraw without using Stripe or PayPal, you'll want to add a bank-based option if it's available in your account. Now click Add Payment Method. This opens the form where you can connect the payout destination for your earnings. Take your time here and make sure you're entering accurate information because even a small mistake in banking details can delay your payments. Finally, enter your bank details. Be careful when typing everything in and review the information before submitting it. Make sure the account information matches your banking records so your withdrawals can process smoothly. Once your bank details are added, your payment setup should be ready, and that puts you in position to withdraw your money from Whop without relying on Stripe or PayPal. If you found this helpful, follow along with the same steps inside your own account and make sure everything is saved correctly before you exit.